Moving on, no relief for Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren amid his ongoing tussle with the Enforcement Directorate. Now, the Supreme Court has refused to entertain the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha chief's plea against the probe agency's multiple summons issued to him in an alleged money laundering case. A two-judge bench of the Supreme Court ordered Soren's counsel to approach the Jharkhand High Court, post which the Chief Minister withdrew his plea. The Jharkhand Chief Minister had moved the top court on Sunday after the Enforcement Directorate issued fresh summons to him, ordering him to appear for questioning on September 23rd. My colleague Harish reports on this.
Yes, that's right. It's a kind of a setback for Hemant Soren. Supreme Court has refused to entertain the petition he has filed challenging 3 summons. The next date of appearance being September 23rd. The Supreme Court said that we will not entertain this petition directly. First, we have to go to the High Court. High Court is the place where such petitions, such plea should be made first and not the Supreme Court. Saying so, the Supreme Court has asked his lawyer, Senior Advocate Mukul Rohatgi, who had begun by saying that this is nothing but a political vendetta and, in fact, witch hunt against Hemant Soren, as he is part of the Indian opposition alliance, India, and it is an attempt to intimidate, threaten, and humiliate him. And but the Supreme Court refused to hear any of the arguments and said that he should first approach the High Court. Remember, Soren has challenged 3 summons, the next date being September 23, where the ED has asked him to appear, but citing several grounds, Hemant Soren has not yet appeared before the Enforcement Directorate, but rather preferred to challenge the summons before the Supreme Court. Today, hearing the petition he filed challenging the ED summons in the money laundering case being probed by the Enforcement Directorate, the Supreme Court has first asked him to approach the High Court, which means that there is no relief for him. As of now, he has to appear before the Enforcement Directorate for questioning on September 23. So, in a way, a big setback for Hemant Soren, as Supreme Court has refused to admit his plea and give him a hearing or any kind of relief.
Time for a quick break here on Nation Tonight. More news on the other side. Stay with us.